it there. And then it flies off. Yep, goes off. How am I going to tie that in? I don't know, because it just kind of goes right to the back there. That might be kind of crazy. So I'm going to just flip through. I think this hole is all the back. And then, yeah, okay. I'm okay with that. Backyard. Is that front to back? All right. I'm going to take this front to back shot. It's not really going to make sense because he's going to go flying off and then transition. You can go flying off and then transition front to back. Okay, I guess that'll work. It's not the greatest, but you'll get the job done. And then we'll go back, fly off. That's going to be the end shot, I believe. I'm going to use that as the end shot at the moment. I might change my mind. I don't even know what this is. I may end up getting rid of that. If I was going back to the front, I would use that. And maybe... No, I don't think so. Let's speed up here. Alright, so I've got... Okay. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and use this shot. I think so. We got flying to the back, and then we flip down and get a good shot. The rear. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that's where we end. Okay. And then what? I mean, I like this shot. And then maybe that should be... That's a good reveal shot. Alright. I don't need this shot here, I don't think. I don't need this shot here because I've already got a pull away, so I don't need it. I'm going to cut it. Delete. So I'm going to use this shot. And then this shot, I'm not sure. Am I using this shot? I don't think I'm using that shot for anything. No. I'm going to get rid of that too. Delete. So out of what I had, this is the best I could come up with. Maybe somebody else could do better. Maybe if I send it to my editor, maybe that's what I should do, is send it to the editor and send those two clips to my editor and see what they come up with compared to what I come up with. Be on the lookout for that. I think that's what I'm going to do next. But anyway, so I just want to go ahead and see if there's any opportunity. We're at about a minute and 36 seconds. Now, if this were a video that I delivered to a client, I wouldn't have the end card. Obviously, I might put an agent end card or a card with their contact information on it or something, and I probably wouldn't have an intro video, but I might have an intro video for the agent themselves if they want it. Again, this is like, what, a 5-second little intro? Not even. Let's see. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to continue on, and I'm going to pause this for a minute and hit this render button so we can watch our video and see what we have. Okay, that didn't take very long. So we're rendered. We should have smooth playback, and I'm going to probably have to do that again real quick because I think I'm going to speed ramp this video up just a little bit. I want a uniform speed. I'm going to go 1 point. I don't want full 2, but 1.75 might do the trick. So what I did there is I just clicked on the speed, hit uniform speed, and then that opens this box here, and then I can either dial it in or type it in. You can either dial it in or mouse it in, which I'm doing right now, or you can type it in. Oops. 1.75. All right, so let's see what that does for us. I may speed this one up a little bit, and that puts us at 1 minute and 21 seconds. So what's that, 81 seconds? That's not bad. I think that might be it. I just want to make sure that it makes sense going through, and these speed up, but these are normal speed, and you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and see what we got. See what we have. Oh, I'm going to hit this real quick. Shouldn't take very long. It's only got to go to 1433. So that's the downfall of all this. Anytime you adjust anything in this timeline, it affects your rendering. And I thought that would actually go by a little bit faster, but anyway, okay, so let's see what we've got here. I know this video is getting kind of long. That's the speeded up frame. I think that makes sense. It's not so fast that it looks out of place with the other video. And then this is the oh, haha, that's funny. This is the speeded up video. I think that looks okay, and it makes sense. And then the pullback. Computer, I can hear my computer running, and so it's causing these glitchy moves. All right, I didn't like the little pull up on the end there. I don't know if that's exaggerated because of the because I have it at 1 3/4 speed, but I'm gonna go ahead and just pull that little bit out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and call that good for this workflow and getting to your edit. I've done videos on transitions, but we'll go ahead and do transitions next and pick some audio and render this video as a completed project. So watch the next video and look for the next video. It's either at the end screen, or you can click on it here, or follow the end screen. Anyway, thanks for watching.